Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore Odoo Marketplace Digital Products module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our admin panel. Enter the admin credentials, then click the Login button. After installing the module, navigate to the Seller dashboard and click the Products tab. To create a new product, click the New button. Enter the product name, select the product category, and then select the product type. Next, select the seller and enter the sales price. Finally, click Save to create the product. To convert the product into a digital product, click the Digital File button available at the top. Here, click New, and a new window will open where you can manage the digital file. Click Upload File to select a file. Once the file is uploaded, click Save button. Now, click New again and change the type. Enter the name of the digital file, add the URL, and save the digital file. Click Product, then click Request to Approve, followed by the Approve button. After the product is approved, you can click Publish to publish the product. Now let's see the seller flow. Enter the seller credentials, then click the Login button. Once you're logged in, go to Products. Here, one product has already been created. Now click the New button to create another product. Enter the product name, select the product category and product type, then enter the sales price. Now click Save to create the product. To convert the product into a digital product, click the Digital File button available at the top. Then click the New button to create a digital file. Upload your file by clicking the Upload File button. Once the file is uploaded, click Save. Then click the New button again and change the type. Now enter the name of the digital file, add the URL, and save the digital file. Next, go back to the product and click Request to Approve. Now go to the Admin section, then navigate to Products. Here, as you can see, one product is in the pending state. Click on the product. Now click the Approve button, then click OK. After approving the product, click the Publish button to publish the product. Now let's move on to the customer flow. Enter the valid customer credentials, then click the Login button. Here on the product page, you can see the digital product that I created. Click on the product, then click Add to Cart. Now go to the cart and complete the checkout process. Next, go to My Account to view your order. Click Your Orders, then click the Sales Order. Here you can see the order details. Now let's go back to the Admin dashboard. Then go to Sales and select Orders. As you can see, the sales order has been generated. Now click on it. Click the Approve button to approve the order. Now go to Sales, select your order, and create the invoice by clicking the Create Invoice button. Then click Create Draft. After the invoice is created, click Confirm. Now go to the Customer dashboard and refresh the page. Here you can see the Download button. Click Download, then select PDF. Here you can view your digital file. You can also access the link by clicking on the ebook.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.